Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Hope you like my previous videos. Today's video is about the DIY video, which is coffee body scrub. Coffee I'm using here. Yes, this video is specially for coffee lovers. Coffee boosts your metabolism and it has antioxidants which is good for your skin. This DIY coffee scrub removes stretch marks, cellulite, and the toxins accumulated in the face because of makeup. It removes the discoloration from your face. This DIY scrub makes your skin glowy and youthful and makes your hands look soft and pretty. This is especially for your legs and hands. It's very easy to make this coffee scrub. Let's get started. For ingredients, I'm taking aloe vera gel, which is 92% soothing gels from Macreate. You can take any aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon. Here I'm taking the gold essence. You can take any oil like castor oil, olive oil. Only a few drops of this. Here I'm taking the powdered coffee from Nescafe. You can take any coffee which is in the big beans shape, a green coffee or a black coffee. You can take any one of these. Here I'm taking 1 sachet. And brown sugar to give it the scrubbing effect. So guys, now let's make this DIY coffee scrub. Take 1 sachet of coffee in a clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now take a few drops of gold essence, castor oil, olive oil. Now mix all the ingredients roughly. Make a thick paste of all these ingredients and mix the aloe vera gel properly. Now add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for scrubbing effect and mix it roughly. Don't dissolve it properly, only mix it roughly for scrubbing effect. Now I'm going to apply this mixture on my hand. Spread the mixture evenly and rub it. You can add more sugar for thicker consistency if you want. Now let this mixture dry on your hand as shown. Rest it for at least 20 minutes and then scrub it properly. You can apply this on your legs, on your hands. To remove the extra stain from your hands and dirt. You can apply this mixture on your face to remove the extra dirt from your face and also on your back to remove the acne. You massage it properly. This can be used for tanned skin affected by sunlight. This can also be applied for acne problem. So guys, after washing my hands, you can see a clear difference between my two hands. The one looks soft and white and the other is normal. This is good for your legs and hands and make it prettier and lustrous and shiny. Here you can see I have applied this on my whole hand, so you can clearly see a difference. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Bye guys.